Well, today we're having a college and career fair for all seniors at Shannon, Moorville, and South Tillow High School. We have about 50 vendors and about 20 to 30 colleges here. And so we have an exciting time for all the children to see what kind of career future they have and maybe guide them in the right direction. We also have military here and activities inside and outside the building. The students have been given a little heads up of questions that they can ask. What kind of jobs are here? What benefits do you have? All those good questions that businesses want to hear students ask, and they've been kind of prompted on that. Some of them have resumes with them as well. A lot of the kids have transcripts ready to hand to these colleges.
A lot of what I've been hearing is students signing up for colleges and asking very important questions to the business and the industries about what they do and what they offer. A lot of them have been asking about internships and job shadowing opportunities. We have one student that has walked through, but she knows that she wants to do highway patrol. So she's been out there for almost an hour and a half and nowhere else, just because that's what she wants to do. So she's trying to learn as much as she can now.
You're going to take and you're going to put this between those bands. Okay, are you ready?
When we first got together, we just started compiling lists and started calling people, emailing people, and the response was very overwhelming. We're very blessed to have community support as we do. Not one person turned us down that we asked to come out here and help support these children. They do need workers, and they share that with us constantly, and in turn we go into the classroom and share those kinds of things with our students. And when we can, we're able to bring some of these businesses inside the classrooms also, so they can hear it firsthand and more than one time.